No more boring workouts. This is your moment to move, smile, and burn fat the fun way. Every groove you take today helps tone your core, boost energy, and bring joy back into fitness. Let's dance into it. Tap in with flow. This diagonal groove builds agility, burns calories, and feels like dancing through your to-do list. Then cross and expand your arms. This graceful motion tones your shoulders while helping you stand taller and move freer. Hips swirl, shoulders glide. This move is smooth, satisfying, and strengthens your waist without a single crunch. Pull your knee and elbow together with rhythm. It's a core toning step that sharpens balance and keeps your heart rate happy. Tap out, press through. This side tap works your thighs and arms, gently boosting your stamina without stressing your joints. Wave that arm with purpose and style. This flowing move tones while adding poise, posture, and a spark of confidence. Pull those arms in strong while you lift through the chest. It energizes your core and makes your upper body pop. Snap to the side with a playful pose. It's a confidence builder that shapes your waistline and fine-tunes your timing. Power those arms up and down. This bold combo strengthens your upper body and ends your session on a strong, high note.